In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a garlic and herb chicken seasoning blend. First, you'll need basil, rosemary, celery seed, mustard, cumin, garlic, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and black peppercorn. The first step is to mince your garlic. After you finish mincing your garlic, you're going to want to add some olive oil to a pan. Once your oil is nice and hot, you can add your garlic, and while your garlic is browning in the oil, you can start mixing together your herbs. Once you have those fully mixed, you can apply them evenly, about half and half, to each side of the chicken breast. Be sure to rub it in well. Then you want to add your chicken breast to your browned garlic. You want to let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, rotating constantly. And you have delicious herb seasoned chicken.